In this video, I'm going to cover what's coming up in Shotcut version 21.03.20. The first thing I wanted to share with you is the ability to rearrange the tracks. When you rearrange the tracks, you can just head on over to the track head and you can move your video track up or down. This is quite a good feature because there may be times when you have done your video all the way and you realize that you wanted to make some changes, add another track. Now, number two is the ability to add notes. And as you can see on the screen right now, I have actually made some notes so that I don't forget. This is something I think will be particularly useful for me because I tend to forget what I want to say. Besides making notes for yourself, it will also be useful if you are editing. Maybe you can pass off your project to another editor so that he knows what are the things that you want to edit. The next point is voiceover. There is a new convenient button to record audio voiceover. Just click on it and you can record your voiceover there straight away. This allows you to create markers over your selected clips. Let's say I'm going to select this and I'm going to create a marker. You can see the marker over here. And you can use this to export that section of your video. You can use that to add some notes, etc. So all those things will help you create your video much faster. Now, if you want to find out more about what markers, check out what's on the screen right now or links in the description. Now, this is release candidate 22.03.20. There might be some changes. For more tips, check out what's on the screen right now, or if you want to learn how to use a Shotcut in the most effective manner, check out my training, links in the description. And finally, give this video a thumbs up if you have learned something new today.